Hi, everybody. In 1926, Girl Guides and Girl Scout delegates agreed that there should be a special annual day when Girl Guides and Girl Scouts around the world think of each other and express their thanks and appreciation for their international movement. So they chose February 22 as the day for Thinking Day. So we have them to thank for this. That's about to happen. Well, today, Neferil and I will have to use our minds to figure out this 9 dots challenge. Over there, 6 dots, that's really 9 dots on an easel. We'll have to use 4 straight lines only
To connect
all 9 dots.
That's your one. This one is my own.
All right. What you have to do for this one?
You have to use or touch just one glass, and then at the end of it, you must have empty red, empty red, empty red. I am suggesting that we do this. To put the red in that, you have empty red.
So do you never to see if it's red?
So you go so.
Brilliant thinking there now, bro.
I just feel I should be the Prime Minister of the entire
Critical
world.
thinking.
Critical
Boom.
thinking.
All right, let's bring it over here.
Your time now.
How much time do we have leave on the show?
4. I have a feeling that you must start at one of the ends.
So I asked if...
Yeah, we have 2 chances, by the way.
I asked if the lines have to be continuous, and they don't.
No.
So we can break the line at one point.
But you have to start. We have 2 chances. So take time, work it out before you mark it.
You don't trust me?
I trust you fully.
So then shut up your mouth.
All right.
Go buy in the easel. Come around here. We don't need to see you. A joke. Come back out the party. I'm a teammate. Okay.
You have to start that.
4 lines that join all the dots.
Yes.
Him.
the show done.
Wait, Snev.
Me not gonna. 1. Feel it dead already.
Just give me time.
We have only 2 chances. We have,
Wait.
1 line that. You need 3 more lines. Anytime today would be just lovely. Anytime this morning would be even lovelier. 2. We dead. Wait, Sam. Wait, we don't dead. No, we dead.
Wait.
dead,
We
we
are
dead.
not died.
We
Do not give
dead.
up hopes.
We dead. Can't be that.
Why?
Well, show me the other 2 lines. Only 2 more lines you have, You have to
I know.
connect all of them something, We go back. So
That's where I was going.
But
then
then you're
this
dead.
have
4 you leave out that one. Hold on, if you come so, that's 3. Dead again. I have a feeling, say, a cross thing have to work somehow.
It has to.
Hold
It
on,
has
so if you
to.
go so, that's 3. No, but we'll leave out that one and have to come down, make 4.
Wait, no more.
A cross thing have to work. Can you work it out already? 3, we're dead. We're dead. Unless you give them a curve thing now. Oops. All right, so that's 1. We never work out the first one.
Huh? There's an isosceles
Marvin,
in there
wait a sec.
somewhere.
It must go cross. So if you go so, 1, 2, 3, wait there.
Go on again.
1, so this out. 2, this still out. 3,
No, wait. 1,
yeah,
2, 3. 1.
2.
Still leave out these 2.
By the way, it can do. It can do.
It can be do.
Hold on. 1.
Oh,
Must be 1. X. Wait now.
2,
2. We dead.
3.
We dead. We dead.
We can't be there.
We dead.
We dead.
If you go so, and that's 3, and you go so,
still leave
4,
out
you leave
them.
out them 2, yeah. If you come down the middle, you're dead. What?
So,
And what? And what? Two that.
Continue where? Where am I going? Where Princess and Mirror or something? Yeah. One, two.
Let me see. Prince can't work it out.
I hope this is not a pep question.
Then, what happened to that fella here? That fella here, you know about that fella here? Huh? See it where?
Okay, let's see.
No, not that you do. Hold on. Wait, don't move that. Whoops.
Wait, now let's just make 9 dots. Come now. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
But that sound like it turned the other way.
So,
So one come down the long way, so. That's all? The blue line.
Yeah.
This is the blue line.
oh, you pass it. Okay, come this way now. Look at
Hold
this
on,
one.
now, man.
So this is so. But you pass. So we never know that you could pass it. That's not fair. Wait.
Where you going, Summer? I
1,
still don't understand.
2, and go all the way down.
That's two.
Could you put it back up there,
I
okay?
don't understand it.
Can't go middle. How you going to go middle? Here? Yeah.
And go where?
And go where? Oh. Oh. So this is
one
supposed to
is
go
set to
here,
this
you
side.
mean?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what? And then straight up. And then so.
It can be done with 3 lines. Look here. It can be done with 3 lines too.
Jesus, that looks so easy. You know why? You know why? We never realized that you could go off the.
Yeah. The other thing too, it looked like, you know what that proved, folks? That I'm a critical thinker. And it proves Summer Rooney, which is why she didn't get. By the way, it's the funniest thing I see should have put it on TV. When Sim just get the part, said that is why this is for.
I apologize for my own personal.
No, you may apologize. It was
frustrations
fantastic.
coming out.
It was fun. I still don't understand it, though, you know.
You know what it is? We didn't know that you could go off the trajectory of the paper. It seemed like you could only stop at the final.
Yeah, Richard have it still, you know. Richard actually
Yeah,
have
because he knew to came off. Also my English skills are a problem.
But I think Benji does knock out Kadina. I'll say go for a break.
After the break, find out how you can change your mind and change your life. And critically think.
Listen, nobody no rate me thing. It's one lick I give this and nobody does.